We were looking at financial markets. We started off talking about case one, where the only bank in the economy is the central bank and there are no commercial banks. So in this case, we said financial market equilibrium is where money supply is equal to money demand. Now, money supply here is assuming is fixed by the central bank, and money demand is downward sloping. Right, it's negatively related to the interest rate. And then we talked about how do we characterize financial market equilibrium mathematically and graphically. And then we looked at two economic experiments: an increase in nominal money supply and an increase in nominal income. Now let's talk about how exactly does the central bank control money supply. Now the main tool through which it controls the money supply is through open market operations. What are open market operations? Open market operations are buying and selling of bonds in exchange for money by the central bank to change the money supply in the economy. And by changing the money supply, the central bank can affect the interest rate. Now we can have expansionary versus contractionary open market operations. Expansionary open market operations involve where the central bank buys bonds in exchange for money, so puts more money in circulation. Money supply increases and interest rate decreases. Contractionary open market operation is where the central bank sells bonds in exchange for money, so withdraws money from circulation, money supply decreases, and interest rate increases. So the main policy to the central bank has to control money supply open market operations, which are buying and selling of bonds to change the money supply in the economy.